Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to make a patient inactive. Making a patient inactive on a file is to indicate that the patient is no longer active on the specific file. To make a patient inactive can be for various reasons, such as the patient passed away, went on to their own medical aid, or might have gotten a divorce. Deactivating a patient will prevent the practice to bill the incorrect patient or share personal data when the patient is not supported to have access to the specific file anymore. From the diary screen, click on the navigation wheel. Click on the Debtors segment on the navigation wheel. Search for the relevant debtor by typing in the debtor's name in the search bar. Click on the correct debtor from the list of debtors that appear. The debtor sidebar will open. Click on the Debtor Edit button. The Debtor Details screen will open. From the list of patients appearing under Patients on the Debtor Details screen, select the correct patient to make inactive. Click on the red trash can button on the selected patient. An attention pop-up will appear. From the drop-down menu, select the correct reason why you wish to make the patient inactive. For example, the debtor's husband passed away, therefore we shall use deceased as our reason. Click on the Cancel button to exit the screen without saving the change. Click on the OK button to save the changes made and continue. The patient will now show as inactive on the debtor's file. The patient can be made active again by clicking on the green checkbox. To exit the screen without saving changes, please select the Close button. To exit the screen and save changes made to the debtor's file, please click on the Save button. After saving, the screen will return to the Debtors screen.